What's up, you guys? This is your boy JB, aka MyMixEngineer, back with another video. In this video, I want to show you guys parallel compression, why I use it, and how I use it. Alright, so let's get to the why. Why is for me, parallel compression is the floor. This is the lowest this vocal, or this is the lowest this signal is going to be that I'm going to hear it. Alright. It's not going to get lower than this. So basically, parallel compression is when you over compress your original signal, feed it back into your original signal, and now you have your original signal, you have your parallel compression, and then these two signals combined in one signal, and now these two signals become one. So basically, I don't have to over compress my main signal. All right. So basically, I don't have to over compress my vocals. Easy. And I do it on all my vocals. I do it on drums. I do it on bass. Sometimes I do it on everything. Yeah, I do it likely on everything. But in this case, I'm doing it on vocals, and this is why. I have a 2-track. It's already mixed, and I want my vocals to sit well within this mix. So let's take a listen to what it sounds like with the parallel compression.
Only thing I claim is being centered. The only people who hang is who invest. Look, they help keep out a lot of stress. Cause who wanna cause problem with a bless?
Sounds good, right? This is without it.
Only thing I claim is being centered. The only people who hang is who invest. Look, they help keep out a lot of stress. Cause who wanna cause problem with a bless?
All right, so you may not hear it, but what you're listening for is the girth, that weight at the bottom of it. It doesn't leave. So now it has a place to sit in the mix. Without it, is the vocals sound, to me, they sound great, but they're more floating. Hip hop, I want them to sit. I want them to be bam in your face right there. So with it again, I'll bypass it and unbypass it and let you guys listen.
Only thing I claim is being centered. The only people who hang is who invest. Look, they help keep out a lot of stress. Cause who wanna cause problem with a bless? Ay, I only hang with the real ones, Williams. I know my family love me. Ay, and live a life we got.
You see, yeah, true enough, without it, the volume kind of goes down, but that is where I originally put the vocals. That's why I wanted the vocals to sit. They sound perfect. That's where they sit nicely in the pocket of the mix. So with the parallel, now that the vocals are sitting in the pocket, they won't go below that pocket. All right. So let's show you what I'm doing with the parallel compression. So I'm sending the main verse. I'm sending this main track to R1. On R1 is this track right here, which is auxiliary, and on this auxiliary, it's also been sent back to S2, which is where I'm pretty much doing the main processing of all of the verse tracks, right? So on my parallel, I'm just using a DBX from Waves, the DBX 160 from Waves. It sounds amazing. You can use whatever you would like to use, but keep in mind, pay attention to the ratio that you like to use. Pay attention to how hard you're crushing it, and pay attention to the type of compressor that you're using. So you pretty much got 3 things to really pay attention to, and also, well, four, the volume. So match the volume of the tracks before you do the blend. So if your vocals are peaking around -10. Your parallel compression track should be peaking around -10. I mean, that's just my philosophy. You can clip it if you want to. If it sounds good, it sounds good. But that's the technique I like to do, and it works for me. All right, so as you can see, I'm only hitting probably like -10 dB.
Only thing I claim is being centered. The only people who hang is who invest.
Yeah, roughly around -10 dB, around 4:1 ratio. And again, it sounds great, right? Boom, I'm feeding it back into this track, which is doing all of the other compression. It got some other compression going on, but it's for everything. It's to glue everything. The background vocals, the fill in, and he got like a yo track. It's that compression is just to glue that. But this parallel compression is literally there just to sit the vocals and keep them sitting in one spot. Right now, on this track, I can ride the fader to change the volume, but where it's sitting at, that's where I wanted to sit in the mix. So again, you can use anything you like to use, any compressor that you choose to use. Some people actually will compress it, EQ it, add some distortion to it as well. Try it all because it works, right? Try it all. But parallel to me is the way to do it, is so that you would not really kill the tonality of the original signal. All right. So try it out on your next mix. Let me know. Discuss anything in the description below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and remember, mixing is an art. Be you. Stay true. I'm out. Well, I ain't out. Me and Replay just kicking it.